In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve Action Center not opening in Windows 11. So to resolve this problem, just try some simple method. Click on Start, search Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Now here you have to find out this yellow Windows Explorer folder. So right click on it and restart. So hopefully this method will work and it will resolve the problem. Still you are facing problems, so you can try second method. Search PowerShell. Now right click on Windows PowerShell. Run as administrator. Now here copy and paste this command I will give in description. Then press enter. So it will fix and resolve the problem. Once this complete, close and restart your system. So this is the two method, guys. You can fix and resolve Action Center not opening, and still you are facing problems, so you can try third method. So I will give the link in description. So visit that video and resolve this problem. Sultana.